So, hello students, we are studying about the fundamental unit of life. This fundamental unit of life, we have studied about the cell membrane, cell wall, and nucleus. Today we have to study about the cytoplasm. You remember the structure of the cell as this is cell and cell, this is cell membrane. We have also studied about the nucleus, and a fluid is filled within the cell membrane. This fluid is known as the cytoplasm. It is cytoplasm. It is a fluid which is filled within the cell membrane or within the cell. So, cytoplasm is the fluid content inside the plasma. So, the cytoplasm is the fluid content within cytoplasm is the fluid content not inside content inside the cell membrane, inside the cell. This is the fluid part. This is this area, and which is surrounded by the cell membrane or the plasma membrane. It fills a fluid, and this fluid is called as the cytoplasm. Within this cytoplasm, cell organelles are found. Within this cytoplasm, cell organelles like within cytoplasm cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, plastids, lysosomes, etc. These are the cell organelles which are found in the cytoplasm. These are the cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, plastid, etc. These cell organelles are found within the cytoplasm. In prokaryotic cells, there is no membrane bound cell organelles. They do not have mitochondria, do not have endoplasmic reticulum, they do not have Golgi complex, and they do not have nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleolus. In prokaryotic cells, nucleus is represented by a single circular DNA. Nucleus is represented in prokaryotic cell. I told you there is no well defined nucleus. Nucleus is represented by a circular DNA, and such structure, such nucleus is called as the nucleus. So we have to discuss about the difference between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. You know that in case of the viruses, they do not have any membrane, they do not have the plasma membrane, they do not have the cell organelles, so they are not included in the living things. They have only nucleic acid, DNA or RNA, but never both, and they became active when they are in the living cell only. So today we have to discuss about the difference between prokaryotic and the eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. We have to discuss about the difference between prokaryotic and the eukaryotic cells. At the base of the differences, base of the differences. First is size. First one is size. Prokaryotic cells are small, generally small. These are generally small. These are generally small, and small is 1 to 10 millimicron. 1 to 10 millimicron in size. And here these are generally small in size, while others are generally large. Generally these are these base of the number one base of differences size, generally small and generally having the size 5 to 100 millimicron. Generally small in size, and these are generally large in size. Now next one, difference in the nuclear region. Next one is the second nuclear region, and here not well defined, and in this case well defined. Here nucleus region is not well defined and nucleus region is well defined. And in this nuclear region and here nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane. In the nuclear region, what region is present? Nuclear membrane. Very small in size, we have to write. So nuclear membrane, it is absent, and nuclear membrane is present. Here nuclear membrane is absent and here nuclear membrane is present. And nucleolus, it is absent, it is present. It is absent and it is present. And chromosomes, there is single, there is single, and here many. Here actually what chromosome is there? Here there is a single circular DNA, and that is called as the chromosome. Here it is represented by single circular DNA. It is And here nuclear region is not well defined and called nucleoid. Is called nucleoid. Nuclear region. So this is the difference between, this is the in the size, that is in the nuclear region, that is not well defined, this is well defined, and in the nuclear membrane is absent and it is present in eukaryotic cell, and nucleolus absent and is absent in prokaryotic cell and present in the eukaryotic cell, and chromosome, there is the, it is represented by the single circular DNA, and it is the single, that is, and in case of the eukaryotic cell there are the many. Next important thing is there, membrane bound cell organelles. Third one is membrane, third one is membrane bound cell organelles. Membrane bound cell organelles. What are these organelles? Like mitochondria, Golgi complex, plastids, etc. Membrane bound cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi complex and plastids, etc. Others also, these are absent here. These are absent, and these organelles are present. So these are the bases or differences. On these bases you can find the difference between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Once more, size, prokaryotic cells are generally small in size, while the eukaryotic cells are generally large in size. The small size is 1 to 10 millimicrons and here 5 to 100 millimicrons. And if we see the difference in the nuclear region, we have studied the structure of the nucleus. We studied the structure of the nucleus here. Nuclear membrane is there, this is the outermost boundary, and after that in the nuclear membrane, one structure I have told you, nucleolus is there, and other chromatin which are condensed to and condensed during cell division called a chromosome. These are the constituents of the nucleus. So here nuclear membrane, one difference, that is the here nuclear membrane, it is absent and it is present in eukaryotic cell, and nucleolus, it is absent in prokaryotic cell and present in the eukaryotic cells. And chromosome, here this single circular DNA, that is represented and which is present. So the number of chromosome is single in case of the prokaryotic cell, but in eukaryotic cell many chromosomes are present. So in the relation to the chromosomes, in prokaryotic cells there is a single chromosome, while in eukaryotic cells many chromosomes are there. And membrane bound cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum. Here we can write on more space, endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, plastid, etc. These are the membrane bound cell organelles. These membrane bound cell organelles are absent in prokaryotic cells and present in the eukaryotic cells. Examples, you know prokaryotic cells examples. Examples of the prokaryotic cells. Examples of prokaryotic cell: bacteria, cyanobacteria. Main examples are bacteria, cyanobacteria, and here as the cells of the human beings and the cells of the most of the plants. As diagram you have drawn of the plant cell and the animal cell, that are the examples of the eukaryotic cells, and you have drawn diagram of the bacteria. That is the example of the prokaryotic cells. So thank you, that's what today.